Hello everyone and welcome back to Usman Explains. In today's video, I'll show you how to create stunning professional looking captions in CapCut PC.
We work on videos probably 3 to 4 months in advance, but before that, there's an ideation where we brainstorm what they are for a month or two.
These captions aren't just functional. They can make your videos stand out by adding a layer of engagement and style. So, let's dive right in. Start by opening CapCut PC and importing the clip you want to edit. If you don't have a clip ready, don't worry, I've got you covered. So feel free to download it and follow along. Once your clip is loaded, head over to the text section and select the Auto Captions option. Choose your preferred language and CapCut will automatically generate captions for your video. This feature is a massive time saver compared to typing captions manually. It's especially handy for projects with a lot of dialogue or narration. Now comes the fun part. Customizing your captions. You can adjust the font style, size and color to match your video's theme. To make your captions pop, consider adding effects like glow or shadows. These little tweaks can make a big difference in the final look of your video. Here's where your captions truly come to life. Go to the animation. For this tutorial, we'll use the squeeze animation. Adjust the duration of the animation to make it slower and smoother. A longer duration creates a more polished and professional effect. If you want to experiment, feel free to try other animations from the menu. Repeat this process for all your text layers, ensuring the animations are slow and seamless for a cohesive look. Once everything is in place, preview your video to make sure the captions sync perfectly with your clip. Tweak the timing or effects as needed, and voila! Your smooth, engaging captions are ready to impress. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more editing tips and tricks. I'd also love to hear your thoughts or see your creations, so feel free to share them in the comments. Make sure to follow me on my socials for updates, sneak peeks, and more guidance. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in